I'll show you how to crochet these shoes. The crochet technique employed is exceptionally beginner-friendly. The shoe's upper is crocheted using high-stretch shirt yarn, while the sole is made from our lightweight and durable Ava material. Ideal for summer wear, all materials are available on our website, nicecrow.com. Retrieve the prepared soles and proceed to create holes for crocheting. You can roughly gauge the positions based on marked dots on the top. Use a crochet hook to insert into these dots, approximately 8 in total, facilitating the crocheting process. Using the crochet hook with small head, delicately insert it at the marked dots, ensuring to create 8 evenly spaced holes on each side. When you purchase our materials, we will include this crochet hook. Both the left and right feet are identical. Use the crochet hook to make 8 holes on one side. First, position the toe of the shoe towards yourself, and begin inserting the hook from the right side. Firstly, place the shirt yarn under the crochet hook, then use the hook to pull out a small loop. Leaving a yarn tail of about 5 centimeters, yarn over and hook out to create a chain stitch. Next, proceed to crochet 13 chain stitches in succession. Place a marker here on the first stitch. We've completed crocheting 13 chain stitches here. You can count them to check. Ensure that each stitch is of uniform size and loosely consistent, maintaining evenness throughout. Additionally, you can try it on your foot to check if the length is sufficient. You can adjust the number of chain stitch. Also mark the last chain stitch with a stitch marker. Then, keeping the right hand steady, use the left hand to turn the shoe around. Insert the hook into the first hole and crochet a single stitch. Also, place a marker on the loop, then pull the yarn to tighten the loop's size. Smooth out the stitches in the first row with your hand to maintain evenness. Insert the hook into the next hole, then pull the yarn over and use the hook to draw out a loop. Ensure the yarn length is appropriate, maintaining it at the same height as the first row, which acts as the control yarn determining the height of the shoe's upper. Ensure the yarn and the first row remain at the same level. Then yarn over and hook out to complete a chain 1. Insert the hook into the first marked stitch, remove the marker. Place the control yarn and yarn tail on the hook, then yarn over and pull through to complete a single crochet stitch. Continue the process by working a single crochet into every chain stitch. Make sure to position the yarn tail on the hook before yarning over, enabling you to conceal the yarn tail within the stitches. Here we have finished 13 single crochets. Then remove the marker, insert the hook into the loop, with 2 loops on the hook now, yarn over, and pull through to complete the last single crochet, ending this row. Next, pull over the loop and insert the hook into the next hole. Then, yarn over and pull through to work 1 more single crochet. Enlarge the loop, place a marker on it, decrease the loop size, and then use your hand to smooth out the stitches to ensure they remain even. After finishing the first row of crocheting, it's crucial to try it on your foot to ensure the width is appropriate. If it's not, make adjustments promptly. Continue following the same steps as the first row to complete the crochet for the second row. The process for each subsequent row will remain the same. Our goal is to finish approximately 6 rows in total.